Take a ride in the 2015 Buick LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, traction control, Bose sound system, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, heated seats, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, HomeLink garage door opener. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.